Welcome. This is Waec year 2018 past question comments. Question number 19 says, which of the following features is not associated with a chamber of commerce? That is, which is not a feature of this body of government, chamber of commerce. Option A, democratically administered. B, an independent association. C, open only to entrepreneurs. D, a voluntary association. The correct option here is option C, open to only entrepreneurship. It is not, because chamber of commerce, it is democratically administered in nature. It is democratic in the sense that it is principle of democracy. There it is an independent body of government. Then it is a voluntary association or body as well. So we should also note that it is not only open to entrepreneurs, it is open to all, to everybody. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.